Hello everyone, my name is Tunde. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be walking you through how to use fuzzy lookup in Excel to determine percentage similarity between contents of two tables. In this video, I use Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2019 version. First, let's look at data we have in Excel. Here we have data in column A and column C. And we're going to be taking a look at the content of this data. First, we're going to convert these two data into separate table. And then we'll be looking at each rows, compare the percentage similarity of those texts and using fuzzy lookup. So now let's get started. The first to do is to add fuzzy lookup to your tab, Excel tab. And the first thing is to go to File, select tab, File tab, go to Option, Add In, Form, Add In, then click on Go, then select a fuzzy lookup. So let's go and do that file. Click on Option, Add Ins. Down here, select Form, Add In, click on Go, and here we have fuzzy lookup, Add In for Excel. So we're going to click on that and click OK. So we look at the top here. Now we have our fuzzy lookup. So the next thing to do, next step is to convert each of those tables, each of those data set to table by using Control T button here. All right, let's go do that. So we're going to click on any of the cell here. Let's click on any of this cell and click on Control T. Has if my data has headers, my table has headers. Sure, it has headers. I'm going to click on that and select OK. Now I've converted that to table. Now I'm going to rename this table. For the purpose of this demo, I'll be using table 1. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to repeat the same step for table for status table. Click on Control T the same time and select my table as headers. Click OK. Now it's going to provide the table. Okay, now we have table 1 and table 2. I need to rename this second table also to so this table is table 1. The second table is table 2. Table 1, the name of the column is status 1, and table 2 has status 2 as the name of the table. All right. The next step for us is now to use the fuzzy lookup. And this here is the step we're going to take. We're going to click on the fuzzy lookup tab, the one that we just added, and we're going to click on the fuzzy lookup logo under the tab. Then from the pop-up window on the right-hand side, select the table's name, we select the column name, we click on the relationship logo. Then I want my data to start showing up from cell F1. My result I want to show from there. Then choose any column that you want. Then at the end of it, I'm going to choose similarity, then click on go. All right, let's go and do that. Okay, so we're going to go up here and select fuzzy lookup logo. Here we have left table and right table. And you can see left table is here. And the name of our left table, we click on this sign, you can see the name of the left table to be table 1. And the A is the right table is table 2. So left table is table 1, we selected 1, and table 2 for the right table. Now automatically it's going to select for you the name of your headers, the table headers. For table 1, header is status 1, and for table 2, header's name is status 2. So we will select status 1, select status 2, and click on the relationship between them. All right. So when you click on the relationship between them, then this is what you have, status 1 and status 2. And here you have the results. And the next thing to do is to select what your output columns are. Here, the three tables that we have here, the two tables is table one, status one, which is the table here, and the second one says table two, status two, which is this table. But we don't have to look, we don't have to get the results um, from this table again because we already have the tables and we don't want to see that again. All we want to see is the fuzzy lookup similarity. We want to see the percentage similarity. So you can just uncheck the first table, uncheck the second table, and just leave the fuzzy lookup similarity on. And I want this result to start showing up from F1. So I'm going to click on F1. Then the next thing is to click on go. You can leave the number of matches and similarity threshold the way it is. You don't have to touch that. Click on go. Then you can see the similarity working on the background, and here is our result. Let me just this column here so I can get closer. So here is the result. You can just convert this to the percentage by selecting all the column and click on percentage sign. So what this means is column A2 and column C2 are 96% match. They are not completely matched, and that is correct. We can see that. Second one and third one, they are 100% match, and that is also correct. Wow. So thank you for this video. If you like this video, you can click the like button, click on subscribe, and thank you.